Alright, no weekly, but we got a flood warning. Okay, maybe that's why they haven't been testing.
Until tomorrow afternoon, impacts at 29.0 feet. Flood waters encroach on very lowest lying business parking lots off of Route 114 in Lawrence and North Andover that are adjacent to the Shawshene River. Additional details at 10:30 a.m. Wednesday. The sea was 20.8 feet. Bank 8.0 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage this afternoon to a crest at 29.2 feet this evening. It will then fall below flood stage late tomorrow morning. Flood stage is 29.0. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. And now here is the latest weather summary for New Hampshire and Western Maine. High pressure brings mostly dry conditions today through the better half of Thursday.
You're kidding, right?
The chance for showers and the next system passes.
I've never seen this in my entire life.
This has been a test of the NOAA weather radio phone and same alert systems. This test is conducted each Wednesday at 11 a.m. Specially programmed receivers are alerted for specific watches, warnings, and advisories. In the event that severe weather is expected on Wednesday, or there is inclement weather, the test is postponed to the next fair weather day. This concludes this test of the NOAA weather radio and same alert systems.
What?
This has been a test of the NOAA weather radio phone and same
And now
alert
you're repeating
systems.
it.
This test is conducted each Wednesday at 11 a.m. Especially programmed receivers are alerted to sensitive warnings and advisories. In the event that severe weather is rising on Wednesday, or there is inclement weather, the test is postponed to
Why
the
are you
next fair
repeating
weather day. This concludes this test of the NOAA weather radio and same alert systems. Flood warning in effect until
Okay. I don't think I've ever seen that before. Well, they've issued flood warnings before, right before tests before, but I don't think they've ever had a double header where one alert has been a weekly. And I obviously can't use WXL93 because 1 week of them still being off the air. But I've never seen that before in my entire life, I don't think. So, yeah. I'll just have to wait for great attention. Nothing.
This is a test of NOAA weather radio's warning alarm systems. The attention signals you just heard will automatically activate special receivers to warn of the impending hazard. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm feature will vary with distance from the transmitter. This test is conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, but may be postponed if there is hazardous weather in the region. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day. We now return to our regular programming. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Shawshene River and Andover. When? Until tomorrow afternoon. Impacts at 29.0 feet. Flood waters encroach on very lowest lying business parking lots off of Route 114 in Lawrence and North Andover that are adjacent to the Shawshene River.
That was an
Additional
interesting
details at 10:30 a.m. Wednesday. The stage was 28.8 feet. Banquet stage is 28.0 feet.
Alright, I guess we can do a little Thunder Buddy style synopsis. For everything that was turned on, the sky activated, 993, 519, 991, 996 went off, zone guard 1050 for it. This thing activated late, but it still went off. 301 went off. Up here, the only things that were on are the HH, which activated again. and that, which of course activated.
Broadcasting on a frequency.
WX100 got it. 400 picked it up. Recom got it, and the Sandrine got it. So, yeah.
On the 11
1 week now of WX103 being off the air.
Manchester.
And they claim that they're trying to get the circuit to the transmitter working for phone line, although I just don't know why they don't go wireless, but unless they still need like all those circuits to go wireless. I don't know how all that works. So hope you guys enjoyed.